Hello, hi guys. So today I'm going to make a salad. I love salad. It's getting to be summer and salad is awesome. But before I do that, I'm going to show you like a pineapple. Look at this pineapple. I mean, I got this pineapple from Walmart and was less than $3 I pay for it. And this is huge. I never seen, this is probably one of the biggest pineapple I've ever seen. Hopefully it's good and I could, cut it up and it will be delicious. But anyway, I am going to start my salad. So what I have for my salad today, I have a cucumber, I have red onion, I do have tomatoes, I have garbanzo beans, and these are olives. I have red pepper and yellow pepper. I don't have any green pepper today. And I also have some carrots. I already cut the carrots up. And also I put some olive oil in my salad with little black pepper and maybe garlic sauce. So first I'm gonna put my carrots in there, and I'm gonna cut up my pepper, and I just dice it up. And I'm dicing up the pepper. I know in the summertime I eat a lot of salad. Really, I love salad. And I'm gonna do this is my yellow pepper. So how about you? Do you guys like salad? I just like simple salad, that very easy. I don't put meat in my salad because I don't eat meat. I only eat certain fish. And I'm just dicing these up, no special way. I'm just gonna do half a cucumber. I'll take off the skin off of this one. And this is one of my favorite cucumber. I think these are called English cucumber. I'm not sure, but I think so. So I'm gonna dice it up. I do have a machine where I could dice my salad, but because I'm not going to make a lot of salad today, I'm not going to use it. I'll just simper. It's going to be a simple salad, so. I'm gonna do my cucumber. I'm sorry, I said cucumber, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do cutting up my red onion. And again, I'm not going to put a lot of onions in there because I'm not big on onions, but it has a flavor to it. So I'm going to dice up my onions small. Tomatoes. I like to kind of spice it up a little bit. After I finish with my cucumber, I'm gonna open the can of olives. My olives, and I will wash my olives out already. My salad doesn't complete unless it has olive. Love olives. I'm going to dice it in half. You guys love olives? I mean, these are awesome. These are great. I like to wash it really because it's out of the can, and I like to wash it really, really good. After I washed it, I let it drain. And then I put it to my salad. So now I'm going to put everything back to where it belongs to. And clean up a little bit. Look at this. This is how the salad looks. I mean, sometimes I add spinach to it, but today I'm not going to put any spinach, no lettuce. Yep, this is the salad. Look at that. I'm going to squeeze half a lemon. Half a lemon. I already cut the lemon. I'm going to squeeze it. Just put my hands there so I could get the seed. I'm going to stir it up. That's the salad right there. And I'm going to add some olive oil. Just a little bit of olive oil I like in there. I put some pepper. So I'm going to put some black pepper in there. This is black pepper. Some oregano, a little bit of oregano. And a little garlic powder. I'm going to mix it up some more. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. So this is the salad that I've done. I'm going to put it into the fridge and let it marinate it for a little bit. So after I finish the salad, I put it into the fridge and I let it marinate for a little bit. And I am done. And with the salad, I'm going to probably make a garlic bread or something to go with it. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, also share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.